So I have had what we like to call a portfolio career. I started off doing research, so I did a PhD in anthropology and history, and that's really looking at the study of organisations. And I thought I wanted to be an academic, but when I went into academia it was a bit slow, a bit ponderous, but really interesting. And so I then made a switch into museums, which are pretty exciting, but still quite slow. Then after 5 years in a museum, I thought I really wanted to make a change, so I switched to financial consulting, which was a really big change, very commercial, very interesting again, but I always really wanted to be the boss, so I wanted to start my own business. So when I left financial consulting, it was because I'd had an idea about a business area that I could go into, and then I created Sell Beyond. Having trained to speak French, I started the business off as a translation business, so I did academic articles French to English, and Stefan, who's my husband, who's a native French speaker, did English to French translations. So we started off as sellinfrench.com. But then we found that when people wanted French translations, they usually wanted German, Spanish and Italian ones. And then they usually wanted things done in English. And I realised that there was a whole business model, especially based around Amazon, because Amazon's quite complicated. I grew up on the Suffolk-Essex border. It's where I'm from. I've lived all around the world, and it's where I wanted to make my business. I employed people in East Anglia, and it's part of our values to be authentic to who we are and where we come from. That's the business I created, and I'm proud of it.